Good morning. Namaskar. Today I am going to discuss very important and very serious thing. Why it is important is because it is the philosophy of life. If you follow that, your life will be successful and happy. And why it is serious is because it has got something to do with death. Now just imagine yourself that someone tells you in the morning that today is your last day and by evening you will die. What will happen to you? You will go back in your life, you will see whatever you have achieved, and then either you will be very happy or you will be very sad. You will be happy because you have achieved or you did what you wanted to do. You will be sad because you have not been able to do what you wanted to do. And when you are sad, you will have a regret. And let me tell you, the most painful death is a death of a regret. When you go from this world with regret, one, two, three, four, or maybe more. Because we all end up in the same place in the end, just a pile of dust. Whatever was important earlier, your status, your bank balance, your house, your car, today they are all irrelevant. And they are all irrelevant because they will have no meaning. And the best part is that the CEO and the sweeper are cremated at the same place. There is no this thing. Last year my parents died. I went to the cremation ground. There was no discrimination. Whosoever comes, he is cremated at the same place. So that is the end I am talking about. On your last day, all that matter is whether you got to know your inner self and you did, whether you had the courage to do what you wanted to do. Alexander the Great, we call him great because he conquered the half world. But when he was dying, he called all his generals and he told them that when you take out my funeral procession, जब मेरे को आप लेके जाओगे मरे हुए को, तो मेरे कॉफिन में से मेरे दोनों हाथ बाहर निकाल देना. And I want to show to this world that I looted so much, I acquired so much, but today I am going empty-handed. That is the regret he had. The second example I want to give you is of Muhammad Ghazni, a looter who plundered India 17 times, who plundered Somnath temple when he came 16th time. And it is said that the first camel used to be entering the Ghazni, which is thousands of miles from India, and his last camel was still in India. That was the camel train, that was the length of the camel train. Every time when he came to India. But when he was dying, he started crying. And why he cried was because he realized at that point of time that whatever he had looted or plundered, everything is going to be left behind here only. That was his regret. So the point which I want to bring out is that we must live our life, and that is what the philosophy I am talking about. We must live our life in such a way that we go from this world without regret. Robin Sharma, in his book Mega Living, talks about 10 important regrets. There may be many more, but these are the 10 important regrets which cover complete your life and all aspects of your life, and you must not have any of these regrets. Because if you have regret during the last day, what I am telling you, you will not die very peacefully. Erik Erikson, a very great philosopher, he gave a theory that is state theory of psychosocial development. Now he talks about 8 identity crises. The first identity crisis starts when a child is about 1.5 years old. And the last, that is the 8th one, comes around when the person is around 65 years old. Now what is this identity crisis of a person when he is 65 years old? When he retires, he introspects. He thinks that what has he achieved in life. If he feels fulfilled, he feels that his life has been successful, then he achieves ego integrity. But on the other hand, if he feels that he is unproductive or was unproductive, or he is not happy with whatever he did to his life, then he develops a despair. And this despair converts into depression and hopelessness. And this hopelessness is the one I am talking about, the regrets. So we must ensure that we don't have any regrets on the last day of our life. Now, these 10 important regrets which Robin Sharma had talked about is, first is that you reach your last day with a brilliant song that your life was meant to sing, but is still silent within you. That is number one. Number two is you reach your last day without experiencing the natural abilities which were with you to do great work and to achieve great results. You reach your last day realizing that you never inspired anyone in spite of the fact that you set example for yourself. You should have inspired someone, but you never inspired anyone. You reach your last day full of pain at the realization that you never took any bold risk and thereby you never received any bright rewards. You reach your last day by understanding that you missed the opportunity to become master because you resigned to mediocrity. आप जो है mediocre life जीना चाहते थे, आप average life जीना चाहते थे. That's why you could become the master. Sixth one is that you reach last day heartbroken that you never learned the skill of transforming the adversity into victory. There are transformation skills. If you had learned those, you could have transformed your adversity into a victory. Seventh is you reach your last day regretting that you forgot that work is about radically helpful to others rather than being helpful to yourself only. Sixth regret can be you reach your last day with the awareness that you ended up living the life what the society wanted you to live. You never lived your own life. And ninth is that you reach your last day and awaken to the fact that you never realized your absolute power, absolute best, not as the special genius that you were built to become. And last regret can be you reach your last day and discover that you could have been a leader and left this world much better than what you found. But you refused to accept this special mission because you were just too scared. So these are the 10 regrets which a person can have on his last day. My recommendation is keep these regrets in your mind and live your life the way you want to live. It's not the way you should live, the way you want to live. And then you will have a very peaceful death. Thank you. Jai Hind.